Hey friends, if you are stuck at reset this PC on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So the only solution to this is press the power button for 30 seconds. Okay, this will shut down the system, then restart it, and then it will log you back into Windows most probably. If it does not, then you will have to log into it using the safe mode or any other mode. But yes, you will eventually enter Windows, and then again you can reset the PC. So right click on the start button, select settings, now go to system, and then scroll down to the recovery tab, and then select reset this PC. Now this time you'll have to make a difference. Select remove everything, unless you'll obviously have to save files, and select cloud download this time, not local reinstall, because the local copy may have been corrupted by now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.